page 44. 9. Reading. Foods from the Americas. Read about the foods from the Americas. Then try out the recipes.
Tomatoes. Tomatoes are native to Mexico and Central America, and the Aztecs grew them back in the 8th century. In the 16th century, Spanish explorers introduced tomatoes to Spain, and the tomatoes' popularity spread quickly through Europe. The French, Germans, and Italians absolutely loved them, but the British thought they were poisonous at first. In the 19th century, a British diplomat introduced tomatoes to the Middle East, and now Egypt and Turkey are among the world's top tomato producers.
Avocado. The Aztecs also cultivated the avocado. They called it aguact. The avocado is an oily fruit rich in vitamins A, B, and C. The fruit does not get ripe on the tree. People need to pick it from the tree before it develops its flavor and full maturity. Sailors used to call avocados seaman's butter because the fruit lasts for a long time and it was good for sea voyages.
Chocolate. Chocolate, chocolatl in the Aztec language, was the treasured drink of the Aztecs. When the Spaniard Hernán Cortés arrived in Mexico in 1519, the Aztecs gave him chocolate as part of a royal welcome. It is said that the Aztec Emperor Moctezuma used to drink 50 cups of chocolate a day out of a gold cup. The Spanish introduced chocolate to Europe. However, it was only in the 19th century that Henri Nestlé in Switzerland created the first bar of chocolate. Nowadays, very few people can resist the sweet food, once only for kings.
Pasta with tomato sauce. Ingredients: 5 cloves garlic, 3 cups of chopped tomatoes, 5 tablespoons of olive oil, salt and pepper to taste, fresh basil to taste, 1 package pasta. Directions: Pasta. Cook separately according to package directions. Sauce. First, chop the garlic into tiny pieces. Then put the tomatoes, olive oil, and garlic in a saucepan with salt and pepper and cook on moderate to low heat for 20 minutes. After the sauce is thick, remove the pan from the heat. Tear fresh basil into pieces and add it to the sauce. Pour the sauce over the pasta.
Brownies. Ingredients: 3/4 of a cup margarine, 1½ cups sugar, 1½ teaspoons vanilla, 3 eggs, 3/4 of a cup of flour, 1/2 cup of dark cocoa, powdered chocolate, 1/2 teaspoon of baking powder, 1/2 teaspoon of salt. Directions: Mix the margarine, sugar, and vanilla in a bowl. Add the eggs and mix well. After that, add the flour, cocoa, baking powder, and salt. Put the mixture into a pan and bake it in a hot oven at 180 degrees Celsius, 350 degrees Fahrenheit, for 40 to 45 minutes.
Guacamole. Ingredients: 2 ripe avocados, 2 tablespoons lemon juice, 1 small onion, chopped, ½ teaspoon salt, hot sauce, Tabasco or chili to taste. Directions: Before you cut the avocados, make sure that they are ripe. Mash them in a bowl with the lemon juice. After that, add the chopped onion and the salt. Finally, add the hot sauce to taste and mix the ingredients well. Serve the guacamole with tortilla chips.